In this video, we're going to discuss the ETS Crude-Trader, the rules that we use, and we'll show you it actually placing trades. So let's cover the rules. And the first one is it's real simple. You're free to trade this however you wish. Okay? There's not a wrong way or a right or a perfect way, I should say, to trade this. We're simply sharing what has worked very well for us. If you've been following our blog or if you get our monthly results emails, you can see the numbers that we're getting. And those are real numbers. Those are not simulated, those are not back tested. That's real money. And we're simply sharing with you how we're getting those numbers. Now, we don't guarantee any success. We can only show you what we did, how we did, and we can only show you what we do. How you do it from there is up to you. All right. Market hours 9:05 a.m. to 2:10 p.m. Eastern Time. Those are the hours we trade this. We trade the whole market session. If there's a 10:30 report, we will not take any trades 10 minutes before the release of the report. And if you happen to be in a trade with a forthcoming report, exit about 5 minutes prior to the release of the report. And as we discussed in our last video, the crude trader setup, we do use two targets in our ATM. And I may cover that again, but we covered that in the previous video. So let's get right onto it here. Today is Sunday, March 30th, 2014. So I'm going to pull up, well, I've already pulled up March 28th, 2014's market replay data. Again, I like to show current action. I already have the crude trader applied, but if you want to look over that, I can just right click here, go into strategies, crude trader. Got my time set up. I've got true for my audio alerts. Everything is all set, ready to go. All right. Now, one thing to know, crude can move pretty rapidly, but we don't see a lot of trades. It's not like our ES system where we get several trades per day. Crude, we've seen 3 or 4 trades per day, and we've seen days with no trades, and that may happen. But generally, we'll see 1 to 2 trades per day. And this is where they're having the PTS Crude-Trader really is nice because you may be looking at other markets or other charts, and you may not be looking at crude, and it will pick the trade up for you. So it's a really nice tool to have. So let's go ahead and start this up here. Let me make sure I've got my dome up. But let me cover this really quick because I did cover it in the other video, but I want to make sure we cover it one more time. These are the settings that we use to get the results that we post on the blog. And I say that a lot because we do get a lot of people asking, well, can I use this or can I do that? Not just with this product, which of course is a new product at the time of this video, but we've got other automated products and we still get the same questions is, are your settings the holy grail? Are they perfect? And the answer is no. They're decent. They work for us. They've passed the test of time. Again, you're free to do as you choose. So we use a stop loss of 22 ticks across the board. Our first profit target is 10 ticks. Our second profit target is 14 ticks. Don't let the upside down risk reward bother you. The results show us that it's pretty damn good. So let's go into the custom field just so we can discuss it really quick. And you'll see under our auto break even, after 9 ticks of positive price movement, in other words, once it trades 9 ticks in the money, stop loss goes to break even minus 2 ticks. So it goes 2 ticks below break even. Then after the trade moves 10 ticks in the money, it will then go 8 ticks below the high water mark and then tick up tick for tick as it moves up until it gets taken out at profit. In this case will be 10 ticks anyway. So let's go to this one here. And it's the exact same setup. 9, -2, 8, 1, 10. Tick for tick until we jump out at 14 ticks. So with that, let's go ahead and press the play button here. And it's already 9:04. That's how I got it reset at. I'm going to go ahead and turn the entry on. Let me move this out of the way here. Entry on, and I'm going to fast forward just a little bit. So I happen to know, because I spoke with Al here before I did this video, that we only had 1 trade on Friday. So, and I didn't ask what the results were because I'm going to find out just like you're going to find out. I did not trade it Friday. I did not see the market. I do not know if the trade's going to win or lose. and I have no idea when a trade's going to happen. So I'm just going to kind of fast forward this a little bit until we get it. Because again, as I said, crude can really move quick when it gets going, but we just don't see a lot of trades. And that's absolutely okay if you couple this with our 6E trader, which only takes a maximum of 2 trades per day, and then Crude-Trader, which is on average 1 or 2 trades per day. That's pretty nice because we're making really good money and we're not taking a lot of trades. So we're not paying a lot of brokerage fees, and we're still making pretty good coin. And at the end of the day, this is what this is all about. So let's fast forward a bit more until we get our first signal. All right, there it is right there. I'm gonna slow this down here. Oh, there we go. We're filled. Probably put that on a little bit too fast. All right, so we're long right down here at about 102. Yeah, 102. We've already got our first target hit. That really happened fast. I had the recorder going a bit too quick there, so sorry about that one. And that's, of course, too. You can always download your own market replay data and go back and look at certain trades. But let's let this one play out here and see what it does. Yeah, almost got stopped out there at 102 too. So you'll see it's moved up. It's already above. So we're gonna make money on this trade regardless if it hits down here. Oh, here it goes. It's bouncing up pretty nice here. So target's at 102.14 and we hit it. So not too shabby. So in fact, if you looked at our video for the 6E, Friday was a pretty good day. We had 2 winning 6E trades for the Euro Trader, and nice winner here for crude. And again, we would continue this all day long. We'll let Crude-Trader, you don't have to, but we do. It works well for us. We'll let it go all day long until 2:10 p.m. But again, I was told before I did the video we only had 1 trade, so I'm not going to sit here and try to keep looking for more trades that are not going to happen. So, but that, guys, is the ETS Crude-Trader. The goal of these products, the Crude-Trader and the Euro FX Trader, were simplicity. All right, I've been teaching E-minis and trading E-minis for many years, and I have a lot of successful students. But the common theme that I've always heard for years is we just want it done for us. And I don't really hear it always that way, but that's what a lot of people want. They don't have the time or the desire to spend 2 or 3 months of a lot of studying and a lot of practicing learning how to trade. They would rather have something like this apply to their chart. They just have to manage it, look at the clock, things like that, make sure there's no reports, turn it off if there is. Very simple to do. You apply it to the chart, you set up your contracts, your ATM, and it does it all for you. It takes the emotion out of it. And that's what this system is all about. And it's got great results. We've been running these 2 systems for quite some time. You can go back to our blog. You can get with Al. He's got all the numbers, all the trades, and it's done very well. And again, the results we show you are real results. They're not simulated, hypothetical, back tested, the real trades. So I hope this video helps. As always, feel free to get in touch if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.